Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to create a verified US dollar account. For those of you who have been finding it difficult to use other platforms to create a verified US dollar account, this app I'm going to show you, or this website I'm going to show you, will be able to help you to be able to create a verified US dollar account and receive your payment here in Nigeria. So for those of you who are in Nigeria who find it difficult to receive payment, this will be quite interesting and you can be able to use it. And I've been using it for quite some time. The name of this website is known as Cleva. Cleva is quite nice and it gives you what you want, and you can be able to use it to receive payment directly into your bank account. So Cleva is quite nice and quite okay for you to use it to receive your payment wherever you are, especially if you are in Nigeria. So I'll be able to show you a step-by-step process in which you can be able to create a US dollar account and start using it. If you want to use it to make your payment online, you can be able to use it as well. So the first thing first you need to do is to go to your Play Store, or you go to your Apple Store, in which you can be able to download this Cleva app. And once you've been able to download this Cleva app on your iPhone or your Android phone, all you just need to do is to open the app. And once you be able to open the app, all you just need to see is to click on this CREAT account. And if you can see, you see some of the things in which Cleva can be able to do. You can make online payment. You can also use it to receive payment instantly wherever you are. So once you click on this CREAT account, it will bring you to this very page that you are seeing right now. Now, the first thing you need to do is to put your name, put your last name, then you put in your government issue ID. Now, in this government issue ID is asking you which country are you from, and Cleva is only available for Nigerians. So if you're in Nigeria, this app or this website will be quite okay for you. So once you put in Nigeria, it gives you the option for you to put your national ID card, your international passport, your driving license, or whatever ID card that you have, especially if it's a government issue ID and it's being recognized. So it will be able to do that for you. Then you put in your email address in which a verification code will be sent to you, and you'll be able to use it to accept or log in into your account. So we'll do all of these things right now. Put in your phone number and also create your password, and then you accept their terms and conditions. And once you do that, you create your account. So let me do that behind the screen, and then we'll get over to the verification aspect. So guys, once you've been able to put in all those information, you click on create. It will bring you to this page or this particular site where it will tell you to verify your email account. So all you just need to do is to go to your email, and then you click on the information that is being given to you. So once you've been able to come to your email, you will see the information coming this way. Hi, Kelechi Franklin. To verify your email address, please click on the bottom below. So all I have to do right now is to click on this verify email, and once I click on this verify email, it will take me automatically. As you can see here, it said email verified successfully. All I have to do right now is to log in, and once I click on login, I'll put in my email address, and then I'll also put in my password. So guys, once I've been able to put in my password, it will bring me to the next page in which it would ask me to create a security pin. Now in this aspect, now I have to create in a security pin in which I'll be able to verify a transaction or confirm a transaction. All I have to do is to put in this pin and then click on create pin, and it will take me to the very next page. So once I've been able to put in the pin, the next thing I have to do is to click on create pin, and it will load up. And once it's been able to load up, it will take me to the very next page in which I have to do other process that I will be required. So I'll wait patiently. So as you can see right now, my PIN has been accepted, and they are telling me please confirm your PIN to access your Cleva account. So I have to put in the PIN, and I can also decide to put in a first verification if I wish to, in order for me to secure my account or protect my account successfully. Once I've been able to do that, it will take me to this next page where it tells me, welcome to Cleva. Please let us know how you heard about Cleva. So I have to tell them how I heard about Cleva, and I'll go ahead to click on submit. So let me say I'll click on I heard it from YouTube, and I can also say I heard it from LinkedIn or wherever you heard it from. So if you're watching this video from YouTube, that means you have to just click I heard it from YouTube or from a friend. So I click on submit, and once I click on submit, it will load up and it will bring me to my very home page. Now, take note of what you are going to see here. If you look very closely before you do any transaction, please, this is quite important. Don't just skip this video right now at this point. If you look up here, it says your identity needs to be verified. click here to complete your KYC. This is very important before you go ahead to create this account. So the first thing you need to do is to complete your KYC verification and all of that. If you look very well, you see their exchange rate, which is not what is important right now. What's important right now, first thing first, is to complete your KYC verification. And once you click on complete your KYC verification, you do these 3 things in order for your account to be fully verified, so that you can be able to start receiving your payment or start making payment with your card or whatever. So first thing, you have to provide your personal information, upload your ID card, either voter's card, passport, driver license, or national ID card. That's your NIM. And also you do a face verification. There you say provide your personal information. That is where you put your date of birth and all of that. So all I have to do right now is to get started with it, and then we'll go ahead with the video. So let me get started. And for here, you see where I have to do my normal verification or my KYC verification here. First thing, they're asking me my legal name, my middle name, and my last name. Now, in this particular area, put in the name that is on your valid ID card. Don't do that mistake by going to put in a different name, or you have other name that you answer. You don't have to put it. No, put in a name that is found in your valid ID card, either your passport, your driver license, or your national ID card, or your NIM, whatever passport you have. So put it there. Then you put in your date of birth in which you use there, and also you also put your PV, and the site is well secured. Don't be afraid. Then you put in the address that is found in that your passport. Then you put in your city. You can also decide to put your Twitter account URL link. In this particular area, you have to put in amount in which you can be able to receive every month. You can start with $1,000 for a start, and then once you put in this amount in $1,000 for a start, you'll be able to start creating your account. Then they'll ask you your source of income, in which you can decide to put in your source of income. Can be Payoneer, it can be PayPal. So for those of you who work with Fiverr, who work with Upwork, who work with eBay, and any other online platform or remote work, you can decide to select any of these. For me, I would recommend you select PayPal, or you can select Fiverr or Upwork. So let's get started. Now, once I've been able to click on confirm, you will notice what will appear here is telling me here that I should put in my KYC verification. And for me to be able to put in my KYC verification, I have to select the particular ID or passport in which I want to send or submit. So if you look very well here, you can be able to use your NIM. So if you select here, you have the option for you to put in your international passport, voter's card, driver license, or your NIM, which is your national identification card. So for me, I will use any of them. I'll use my NIM here in order for me to verify this account. So let's get started. Once I've been able to select that, all I have to do is to click here in order for me to upload the PDF file, and then I'll do a face verification holding my card, and then I'll also upload it and then send to them, and then I'll click on upload document to them for you to be verified. So let me do that immediately as well. So guys, once I've been able to do all of this, and I have ensured that the picture is clear and not blurry, and I ensure that the picture is not expired, and I also have ensured that the area is not dark and all of that, and I've uploaded the picture or the document in which is my NIM plastic one. If it's the slip, it won't work. Use the plastic. If you don't have the plastic, use your driving license. If you don't have the driving license, use your international passport, and you can use a verified ID card. So I'll do the upload document, and once I click on the upload document, my document will be reviewed for it to be verified in order for me to start making use of this account. So once it has been verified, this is the time I will now have to go ahead to make or start creating my account. Now, as you can see here, they say document uploaded successfully. All I have to do is to click on continue, and as you can see here, they say your KYC verification pending. Thank you for submitting your information. Well, we'll send you a notification within 1 day or 3, but I know that this one will not take more than 24 hours. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, as you can see, my KYC has been verified, and it just took 14 minutes for them to verify this account. So if you look very carefully, say dear Kelechi Franklin, congratulations, your KYC has been verified successfully. So all I have to do right now is just to go to my app and then log in. So if I open my account, you will see it open this way. You see something like this. Now, as you can see here, you say introducing Cleva tag for C2C transfer. That is, anyone who has Cleva account, you can just put in your name tag. The person can just transfer USD fund to you directly. So that's if I want to create it. So if I click on create, I can just decide to give it a username and all of that. So the major thing that we want to do right now is to create our account. And as you can see at the top here, they say tap to open a Cleva USD account. So once I tap on it, it will generate my account, or it will generate a US bank account for me, which is why we want to create an account. So as you can see here, it's a virtual account and it's asking us what do we want to do, and it say create a Cleva USD account, global access, secure Swift transaction, competitive exchange rate, and open your account for free. So all I have to do now is to click on create a US account, and as you can see here, you say your account is being generated and it will be generated successfully. As you can see here, the notification has come telling me that my account has been created successfully, and congratulations that your Cleva US bank account has been created. All I have to do right now is to view it, and as you can see, it's generating or it's loading up, and once it loads up, you will see that my account has been successfully created. So this is my account, this is my Cleva account, and it has been created successfully. So guys, if you got value on this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification for more videos like this. Maybe in my next video, I will be able to show you how to create the card in which you can be able to use in making online payments wherever you are. So if you would love me to create a card using the Cleva USD account, just leave a comment in the comment section. Just type card so that we will create an algorithm so that this video can be able to reach as many as possible. As I see you on the next one, please stay safe.